In science fiction, Superman has powers of X-ray vision, which means he can look through walls and other materials, perhaps even look into your lungs to check how healthy they are. Now, this is because X-rays in real life have penetrating abilities. X-rays can actually go through materials. Now, they are stopped by denser materials, absorbed, and they are transmitted by softer materials. And this makes them really useful in medical applications or in medicine, because we can create a photograph. We can shine X-rays into perhaps your body, and some of these will pass straight through the soft tissue, that's your sort of fleshier material, but be absorbed by your bones, which are more dense. And so we can create a shadow photograph. So we need to use these keywords below to help you explain how X-rays are used to diagnose bone fractures. Diagnose meaning to check and to confirm that you've got a bone fracture, perhaps. So let's write a little bit on this using these keywords. Right. So, when an X-ray photograph is taken, when an X-ray photograph is taken, the X-rays are transmitted. The X-rays are transmitted. Now that means they can go through. It's a fancy word, and it's a word that you should use in your physics explanations and descriptions. And that's that one there, so we'll cross these off as we go. Transmitted. The X-rays are transmitted by soft tissue. There's soft tissue. And expose a photographic film. Which is sensitive to X-rays. It's very similar to light. When light exposes a photographic film, it will make it turn a different color. And so here we are, photographic film, and expose, and comma, turning it darker. Turning it darker. Okay. X-rays are absorbed. So there's another key word, by bone and metal. By bone and metal. I think those two are up here. We've used X-rays and we've used darker, so there's only one more keyword to use now. Absorbed by bone and metal, and so the photographic plate, or film remains lighter. Now that's the explanation of how an X-ray can be taken to diagnose bone fractures or other medical conditions such as lung conditions. And we've just used lighter because that's the photographic plate that has not been exposed.